Good morning students, hope everyone are fine. So in the last class, I think I sent a PDF that is about the only third main and fourth main in a 2.2, right? So now we'll begin with the 2.2 fifth main. So start the fifth main now, 2.2 fifth main. So what is the first question here, 2.2? That is first one, a to the power minus 3 into b to the power minus 4 divided by a to the power minus 2 into b to the power minus 3, that is equal to ab whole to the power x given. Right? So now we have to find this x value. How to find this one? Make the correction here. So first that is the which is implies that a to the power. Here a to the power minus 2 is divided. Means what? We have to subtract this minus 3 power. So here minus 3. So when you take this one minus of minus, we have to subtract this a to the power minus 2. Then it is nothing but a minus of minus 2 into next b to the power minus 4. Again it is also minus of minus 3, right? So that is equal to a into b to the power x. Now simplify here. A to the power minus 3 minus into minus plus 2 into b to the power minus 4 minus into minus plus 3. That is equal to a into b whole to the power x. Now which is implies that x to the power here minus 1 and here also b to the power minus 1, that is equal to ab into whole to the power x. So whenever the power is same, a to the power m into b to the power m, that is nothing but a into b whole to the power m. So we can write that is as a into b whole to the power minus 1, that is equal to ab whole to the power x. So what is the value of x here? X is equal to minus 1. Like that we have to solve the problem. So next one. What is the next question? Solve. Second one, 1 by 2 whole to the power minus 3 into 1 by 2 whole to the power minus 2, that is equal to 2 to the power x. Right? So same thing, a to the power m into b to the power n, that is equal to 2 to the power x they given. Sorry, a to the power m into a to the power n. It means a to the power m plus n. So multiplication is it, we have to add the powers. 1 by 2 whole to the power minus 3 plus of minus 2 is nothing but again minus only minus 2, that is equal to 2 to the power x. So here 1 by 2 whole to the power minus 5, that is equal to 2 to the power x. So if you take the reciprocal of this number, the power will become a positive number, right? So what is the, now it is 2 to the power 5, that is equal to 2 to the power x, right? So what is the value of x now? X is equal to 5. Getting? So next we move to the third one. What is the third problem? 3 to the power minus 2 into 4 to the power minus 2 whole to the power minus 3, that is equal to 12 to the power x. Okay. See here. So first to simplify the LHS value. See here. These two are the base are different but the powers are the same. It means what? A to the power m into b to the power m. It means a into b whole to the power m we can write. So which is implies that 3 into 4 whole to the power minus 2, next whole to the power minus 3, that is equal to 12 to the power x. 3 into 4, that will be the 12. 12 to the power here. Minus 2 into minus 3. Minus 2 into minus 3 is 6 plus 6. Okay, minus into minus plus. That is equal to 12 to the power x. So what is the value of x now here? X is equal to 6. Equate the powers. When the bases are same, we have to equate the powers. Now go for the fourth one. Fourth one. In that 1 by 3 whole to the power minus 2 plus 1 by 4 whole to the power minus 2, that is equal to 125 to the power x. Okay, see here, whenever the power is minus 2, we can take the reciprocal of that number, right? So reciprocal of, to make a positive power, we have to take the reciprocal of this number. Reciprocal of 1 by 3 is 3. So 3 to the power 2 here plus 4 to the power 2, right? So that is equal to 125 whole to the power x. Now 3 square is 9 plus 4 square is what? 4 square is 16. That is equal to 125 to the power x. Here 16 plus 9 is what? 16 plus 9 is 25. That is equal to 125 to the power x. So we can write 25 as well as the 125 in the form of a 5 to the power, right? So 25 can be written as 5 to the power 2 because 5 into 5 is 25. Next, here 125. How will write 125? 25 5 are how much? 125, right? So 5 to the power 3 whole to the power x we can write. Okay, 125 can be written as 5 to the power 3. Now write here 5 to the power 2 is equal to 5 to the power, multiply 3 into x, that will be the 3x. So now 3x is equal to 2. 3x is equal to 2. What is the value of x here? X is nothing but a 2 by 2. Okay, x is nothing but a 2 by 3. So we finished. One more problem is there in 5th main. Last problem of the 5th main. Last problem, 5th main. That is 2 by 5 whole to the power 2x plus 6 into 2 by 5 whole to the power 3. That is equal to 2 by 5 whole to the power x plus 2. Okay. See here again, a to the power m into a to the power n. What is that one? A to the power m plus n. A is here 2 by 5 whole to the power 2x plus 6 plus 3, that is equal to 2 by 5 x plus 2. Now add those two, that is 2 by 5 whole to the power 2x plus 6 plus 3, that will be the plus 9, that is equal to 2 by 5 whole to the power x plus 2. When bases are same, we have to equate the powers. Equate those two. 2x plus 9 is equal to x plus 2. Okay. Make a similar terms one side. That is x. Take x to the LHS side. 2x minus x. Next, take 9 to the RHS side. That is minus 9 plus 2. Now 2x minus x is x. Minus 9 plus 2. Minus 9 plus 2 is minus 7. So what is the value of x we got here? X value is minus 7. Okay, so we finished the 5th main. Now we'll go for the 6th main. That is also find the value of x in each of the following the given. Okay, so again here also same thing we have to do. Now we'll do the 6th main. So here 6th main. First one 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power x, that is equal to 192 here. 2 to the power x, 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power x, that is equal to 192. See here how many times here 2 to the power x is there? How many times here? That is nothing but 3 times, right? 3 times 2 to the power x is equal to 192. We can write. Right? So next thing again divide here 3. Here it is a multiplication. We can take here that will become a division. So 2 to the power x is equal to 192 divided by 3. Here 3 ones are 6 are 18. 1 left, again 3 fours are 12. Right? 2 to the power x is equal to 64. Next 2 to the power x is equal to. We can write a 64 in terms of a 2 to the power something. In terms of a 2 to the power something is, if you how many times if you multiply 2, you will get a 64, that is 2 to the power 6. Multiply 2 6 times, what you will get? Multiply and check here. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 to the 64. So it means 2 2 to the power 6. So what is the value of x here? X value is 6. Getting everyone? Here they added 2 to the power x 3 times. For that reason I written here 3 into 2 to the power x, that is equal to 192. Here 3 is multiplication is there. If you take to the RHS side, it will become a division. Then divide this 192 by 3. What it means, we will get here 64. So 2 to the power x is equal to 64. 64 can be written in the form of a 2 to the power 6. Okay. So here what is the value of x here? X value is 6. Next, last term of the 2.2. 6th main, last problem. 5 to the power x plus 5 to the power x minus 1, that is equal to 750. Okay, see here. Again same thing. So here but given a 5 to the power x minus 1, here 5 to the power x. We can't write like that, 2 times of a 5 to the power x. Because here 5 to the power x minus 1 they given. How to do these problems here? 750. Okay. See here 5 to the power x. So this can be written as 5 to the power x divided by 5 we can write. See here. Why? Because here 5 to the power x is there. 5 to the power x minus 1. If minus 1 is nothing but it will in the denominator, that means, right? If you take this 5 to the numerator, it will become a 5 to the power minus 1, right? So for that reason 5 to the power x minus 1, that can be written as 5 to the power x divided by 5. Because 5 to the power minus 1, it is nothing but a 1 by 5. Okay, so that is equal to 750. Now take the ones it will become a complicated, right? Wait once again. 5 to the power x plus x minus 1. Okay, so what is common here? Take a common thing. What is the common in these two? That is 5 to the power x is common, right? In the bracket what we left here? 1, okay, plus 1 by 5, correct? Here 5 to the power x. So 5 to the power x plus 5 to the power x minus 1 can be written as here 5 to the power x divided by 5. Again in these two terms, which is the common term? 5 to the power x is the common term. Okay, if you take a 5 to the power x as a common, what is left in the inside the bracket? Here 1 are. Again multiply here, 5 to the power x into 1 is 5 to the power x. Again 5 to the power x into 1 by 5 is 5 to the power x by 5. Okay, if you multiply this value with this one, again you will get the same step only here. Okay, so I taken this one as a common here, that is equal to 750. Now simplifying the bracket. Here LCM is 5. Here 1 5s are 5 1s are 5 plus 1, that is equal to 750. Here 5 to the power x into 6 by 5, that is equal to 750. Right? So now take the 6 by 5 to the RHS side. What it will become? Take a reciprocal of that one. Right? So 5 to the power x, that is equal to 750 into 5 by 6. Okay, is there any cancellation check? 6 1s are 6. Again 1 left. 6 3s are 12. Divide 750 divided by 6. Here 6 1s are 6. 1 left. Again 6 2s are 12. 3 left. 6 5s are, right? So we can divide here. 6 1s are 6. 125s are. So 5 to the power x can be written as here 125 into 5. Again multiply 125, or else 125 can be written as 5 to the power 3 into 5. That will be the 5 to the power x here, 5 to the power 4. Right? Here 1 is there. A into a raised to m into a raised to n is a raised to m plus n. So what is the value of x here? Value of x is 4. Value of x is 4. Okay, so we finished the exercise number 2.2. Now we will go with the exercise number 2.3. Start the exercise number 2.3. 2.3 is also very easy. It is about just they given a decimal number, we have to write it in the form of a power. Okay, so using the powers we can write those things here. Okay, so I'll just give one example before that. So whenever they told to write the numbers in a standard form, okay, write the numbers in a standard form. If the number is like this, 3 1 5 0 0 0 0 0 like this, okay, write this number in the standard form. How to write a standard form of this number? See here. Here, if after last number there will be a point always. Okay, whatever the number you can take, 3 4 5 6 7, whatever will be the number, after the number always there will be a point, but we don't write that point. Okay, so here also one point is there. So now we are shifting this point to the left side. Count how many numbers are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 3.15 10 to the power 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so if you are shifting the point, right here points. Okay, this is a node. Right here a node, everyone. That is. So shifting of a point to the left side. To the left side. Then power is positive. Okay, if you are shifting this point to the left side, then power is positive. Okay, second point, shifting of a power, shifting of a point to the right side, then power is negative. Okay, like this. I'll tell one more example for that one. See here, that is second example. 3 6 7 8, or is like this. 36.78 0 0 is there. Okay, so if you are shifting a 1 point here to the right side, or a 2 point, that means 3 6 7 8 0 0 into 10 to the power what? If you are shifting this point to the right side here, okay, 3678 point, here 36 point is there, we are shifting this point to the right side, then 10 to the power minus 2. Only after two numbers we shifted the point, and again it is shifted to the right side. If you shift the point to the right side, then power must be a negative. If you shift the point to the left side, then power must be a positive. That points only are written here. Understanding? This is the way of writing a standard form of a numbers. This is called as a standard form of a number. Okay? So now we'll start the exercise number 2.3. Open 2.3 everyone. 2.3 in that first mean express the following numbers in a standard form. Standard form means you have to write the in the power form, that is I told one as an example here. In that first one 1 2 8 3 7 4 zeros are there, right? See here, count here. So here is a point now. Now we are shifting here, right? So 1.2873 we are writing here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So into 10 to the power 8. Okay? And we can write here zeros or else not. It doesn't matter. Getting everyone? After a point, if there is a zero, then you can write, otherwise you can't write. Both also correct. Okay? So now we'll go for the second one. What is the second case here? 4, 7, 3. So how many zeros are there? 3, 7 zeros are there. Right? So again now also shift that to 4.73 into 1 here 7 zeros, 8, 9. It means 10 to the power 9. Okay. So this is called as the standard form of a numbers. Getting everyone? So do it yourself, everyone. Third one. Next. 6 zeros here. It means what? 3 into 10 to the power 6. Okay. Fourth one, fifth one, sixth one. Okay, fourth one I think. Because that is about the negative point is there. Zeros, how many zeros here? 3, 7 zeros. 8, 3, 7. Shift that point to the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It means 8.37, 10 to the power minus 8. Because we are shifting this point to the right side. For that reason power is minus. Getting everyone? Yes. So another two problems in the first main, do it yourself. That will be the very easy only. Next one is second main. Express the following numbers in a usual form. Usual form means just you have to multiply and write that one. Just here like this. Second main. Reverse of the first main. Just reverse process of the first main. What is the first case here? 4.02 into 10 to the power 6 is there. Right? Sorry, minus 6 is there. Minus 6 means to the right side we have to shift the point here. That will be the see here. It means 402. So before you have to write the 6 zeros here. Because this point is here. One number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. Okay. Minus 6 means the point will shift to the left side here. So next second case. 0.00000402. Next 8.3 into 10 to the power 5 is there. Then point will shift to the right side here. That is 3 one number 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So this is the answer for this one. Like that we have to convert. This is called as the usual form of a numbers. Okay. So second main, another problems. Rest third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Do it yourself. Now we'll go with the third main. What is the third one they given here? The thickness of a two wires are 6 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter and 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter. Then find the ratio of the thickness of the two wires they given here. Ratio means what we have to do here? Ratio means we have to do the division. Right? So what is there here? They given thickness of a two wires. Thickness of a two wires they given. Right? That is equal to what? 6 into 10 to the power 6 meter and one more is here 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter. Okay. So whenever you are doing the multiplication or as division or as adding or as subtracting, then the power must be same. Okay. So first convert the power as the same. After that do the any operation. Otherwise we can't do the any operation here, mathematical operation. That is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay. Whatever may be the operation, first our duty is to convert the power as the same here. Here 10 to the power minus 6 is given. Here 10 to the power minus 7 is given. Okay. Convert into a 10 to the power minus 7 or else 10 to the power minus 6. Both are same here. Okay. So I will convert just here 10 to the power minus 6 or also convert this one also. That is about to the left side. That will be the 15 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter. Because this point is shifted to the left side. Left side means here plus 1. Minus 7 plus 1 is minus 6. Getting everyone? Here again one more value is here. 6 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter. Right? Same. Now the powers are same. We can take the ratio. Take the ratio now. Ratio is equal to 6 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by 15 into 10 to the power minus 6. Right? 10 to the power minus 6 into the power minus 6 get cancels here. 3 2s are 3 5s are. So what is the ratio here? 2 raised to 5 is the ratio. Getting everyone? Next fourth one also same thing. The mass of two celestial bodies are given here. Again find the ratio of their masses. Okay, same. Similarly, for third one, do the fourth problem also. Next fifth one also. Fifth one is they given a addition. What is the total mass they ask here? Fifth one. Then again we have to add those two values. Total mass means we have to add the values. Fifth one is the addition. Fourth one is the division. Do it yourself. Okay. Sixth one, seventh one is also a very easy thing. Sixth one is again that is also a subtraction. Seventh one is a subtraction. So try to solve that things. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you everyone.